In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and configure a chart widget using a Smartsheet project sheet and dashboard. Let's start on your main project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged in, then open the project sheet you'll be using as your data source. This is where the information for your chart will come from, so confirm that your key fields, like budget or other metrics, are already set up in columns and rows the way you want to report on them. From the project sheet, look for the option to open the related dashboard. This is often available through a link or navigation option labeled something like Project Dashboard. Go ahead and click that to move from the sheet into the dashboard environment, where we'll be building and editing the chart widget. Once the dashboard opens, locate the chart widget you want to work with, or the area where a chart widget has been added. You'll see highlighted areas or edit icons on the widget. Click on the highlighted chart area to open the widget's configuration panel. If you see multiple highlighted regions, continue clicking on the indicated highlight until you open the settings for that specific widget. Inside the widget settings, look for an option labeled Add Data. Click on this. This is where you tell the chart which sheet it should pull information from. A window will appear with a list of available sources. Click into the highlighted area that lets you browse or select from your sheets. Then choose the project sheet that you opened earlier. When you see it in the list, click on the project sheet name to select it, then confirm by clicking OK. This links the widget to your project data. Next, you'll define which specific data in that sheet should power the chart. Click on the highlighted field that currently shows a value, for example, something like a number entry such as 1,000. Replace or confirm this selection with the appropriate field, such as your budget column, by clicking on the budget option when it appears. Then click OK again to apply those changes to the chart. Now that your data is connected, you can customize how the chart looks. Click on the highlighted chart settings panel and then adjust the different sections in turn. Click on Title to set or edit the chart title so it clearly describes what's being shown. Next, click on horizontal axis to configure labels such as dates, phases, or categories. Then click on vertical axis to control how values like budget or totals are scaled and displayed. Continue by clicking on series to choose which data series appear on the chart and how they're formatted. After that, click on legend to decide where the legend appears or whether it's shown at all, helping viewers quickly understand which colors or lines represent which data. Finally, click on Widget Behavior to adjust how the widget behaves on the dashboard, such as how it resizes, refreshes, or responds when someone interacts with it. Once you've walked through these options, your Smartsheet dashboard will display a chart that's fully connected to your project sheet and clearly communicates the information your team needs.